I am with the Los Angeles Mayor, Mr. Eric Garcetti. Mr. Garcetti, thank you so much for arranging such a wonderful iftar for the Muslim community. What is your goal in arranging or organizing this iftar, and what is the message that you would like to send to the Muslim community in Los Angeles?
So for me, this iftar is one of the great celebrations in humanity. A month of reflection, a month of support and celebration, and a month of spirituality. We stand with the Muslim community now and always. And my message is that Los Angeles is a place where Muslims belong. And we love the friendships we have with countries around the world of Muslims, as well as the Muslim people everywhere. Los Angeles is one of those places where you can pray to God. We will protect you, we will encourage you and support you. And it's also a time for all of us to take a moment during Ramadan to really think about what's important in life and to let people know that we will always stand up against hate, against any attacks. And this has been a very difficult year. We saw what happened in New Zealand. And so my message is to all the Muslim brothers and sisters I have here, I am your mayor, this is your city, and you belong here.
This is your second term in office,
Yes.
and you have a tremendous amount of accomplishments and achievements. What are some of the achievements that you are proud of personally?
Well, I'm very proud that we're all working together to end homelessness, which to me is the nearest and dearest humanitarian issue. But I'm so proud we're redoing the airport, we're paving our streets, our economy is #1. The Olympics are coming in 2028. So I'm trying to invest in the city for the next 50 years, not just for the headlines of today or the criticisms of tomorrow, but those things we can do that are long-term, of really rebuilding a city, raising our minimum wage, bringing more economic opportunities, making college free in our community colleges. These are many of the things I'm very proud of doing, and finally fighting the fight against climate change, because that will be the fight of our lives to protect our city and all of our communities.
Mr. Mayor, you announced earlier this year that you would not be running in the presidential election in 2020. Yeah. Are you going to endorse Kamala Harris or anyone else for that candidacy?
I love Kamala Harris. She's a great senator and a dear friend. Cory Booker's a close friend. Joe Biden's a close friend. Pete Buttigieg is. So I think we've got amazing people, and I look forward to California counting. We could do very well if we had any of those people, I think, as our president. So I'll do what every mayor should do. Ask these candidates, what can you do to help Los Angeles? And the person with the best answer will earn our support.
This is your second term, and I'd like to ask you, what is your top priority for the remainder of your term and after that?
For me, the top priority is for us to end homelessness in the city. Everything else we're doing incredibly well, and to reduce traffic. Those two things that are our challenges, if we can do that, I think Los Angeles is unstoppable.
Thank you so much, Mayor.
Thank you. Absolutely. Appreciate it, and look forward to celebrating again. Ramadan Mubarak.